I invite you to settle back. Find a comfortable position and use this opportunity to just let things be the way they are. This is a moment that we can take to settle into a quiet place. Allow those words from that hymn to settle and wash over you. God is love. I invite you to close your eyes if you wish and become aware of your surroundings, how you're feeling, any thoughts that you may be experiencing now. And acknowledge where you are in the present moment right now. As we come together in this moment, there's a radiating energy that's coming from each one of us, and collectively, we're joined. Even though we're not physically present, there's a presence that we bring and we emanate and radiate outward. I can feel your presence now. Bring your awareness to your body. Your feet, your legs, your lower body, your upper body, your arms, your shoulder, your neck, and your head. Feel that awareness, the awareness that you're feeling physically right now. I invite you to take a breath, whatever you're comfortable with, and settle in to this moment right now. And the peace that's available and the presence that's available to us. I invite you to breathe in the awareness of God within and all around you. Let's settle into a consciousness of that moment, this moment of appreciation and gratitude. All that we ever need can be found right here, right now, in divine mind, brimming with God's love, God's presence. This is a moment of profound gratitude, and I invite you to open your mind and your heart to that awareness, that God presence and awareness right now. There's a radiating presence that emanates through each one of us as we join in our hearts and our minds, holding that love that divine presence. And let's extend it outward to each person who's joining us today. Radiate your love to each and every one and feel that. Feel it coming back tenfold. There's a feeling of unity and harmony. There's an inner wellspring of love that is available and radiating right now. It's harmonizing. It's unifying as it radiates out. Comes to us from above and below and permeates every cell of our bodies. And as we radiate that out, we radiate the love to each other, encompassing each and every one. And we can radiate that out to our nation and every life. This is divine love. This is who we are. I think we can just dwell in the presence and the space of the heart where that divine presence resides. There is no greater power than God's love, and it's available to each and every one of us. It's who we are. It's who our true nature is. And you can tap into this moment anytime when you go into the silence. Bring the quiet and the peace and the love of God and God's presence to your awareness. For there's nothing else that we need to do except be present to that awareness inside. Let's just take a moment and feel the presence that you're feeling right now. And as we leave this space, leave this meditation, carry that presence with you. Feeling God's love all the time, because it's there all the time. Be aware and go with love. For God's presence is your birthright. And I invite you to come back to the room and open your eyes if you wish. And just take a moment to feel where you are.